Hey everyone, I am here with Gilda Mono. Let me turn the fan off for a second. And I just recently reviewed this really cute, super short style by Ellen Wille. And when I did the turnaround for the camera, you know how I show you the wig from all sides? I play with it. I do this so that you can see how the wig moves. When I did that, I saw wefting in the back and I could see the tag, and so I wanted to do a little experiment to see how much of a worry is that in this style if you're going to be outside in some wind. So let me show you what I did and what I saw. So this is what I did. So you can see that you could probably see the wefting. Obviously I can't see, but I'm assuming that's what showed up here. Let me do it again. So if you play with it, I think you can see the wefting. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the tag out, which I think you should do in all short wigs. Cut that tag out because the risk of being able to see the tag or have it poke through the wefting on a short wig is kind of high. Secondly, if you're looking for a short style that's low density, unless you're going to buy a hand-tied cap, that is the risk that you're going to run. Now, I do not think this is a risk at all in a controlled environment. So indoors, where you're not outside in the wind, I do not think you need to worry. Unless you do this with the back of your hair a lot, I don't think you need to worry at all. But I wanted to see if I could blow a fan on me and just see if this wefting is going to blow around if you're outside in a wind. I'm trying to simulate that. So let me turn this fan on and let's just see what happens. I have it kind of aimed up at me. You can see it's blowing the front around a little bit. I hope that this is being caught on camera. So obviously the fan blows the front around, but I couldn't feel it blowing the back around at all. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to watch it and see what I can see. All right, let me see what I can see and then I'll come back and tell you my thoughts. All right, so I really wasn't aimed. The fan, I have it aside. It would be great if I had a tall enough fan in front of me so I could be straight on to the video when I did it, but I could see wefting. So my final thoughts on this piece, it's super cute. It is super comfortable. If you like short wigs, you like this kind of style, it definitely is cute. I would just be really careful about wearing it in windy conditions outside because I do, and this is kind of, I mean, you're not going to necessarily, I mean, let me show you the fan I have on me. Can I show you? Oh, there we go. It's this kind of big fan and I had it set on the highest setting. I really don't think if it's just a light, gentle breeze, like you're just walking from the car or something, that it's going to be a problem. But I probably wouldn't wear this one outside in gale force winds. And I don't know what that does to you in your decision making about purchasing a wig. I don't think that's exclusive to this wig. I think any really short style that's a low density with really no permatease, because permatease will help hide the wefting, is going to potentially give you this issue. So just keep that in mind as you're purchasing wigs, and either purchase a fully hand-tied cap if you're going to want a style like this that's low density. That will really prevent that because then you won't be able to see wefting. Or just make sure that you know that this is a wig that you'll wear indoors, that you won't wear this out at a barbecue if it's going to be windy or on a boat or anything like that. You'll just want to make sure you're in more of a climate controlled environment. I hope this helped, and I wish the wefting didn't show, but it does, and so I think that's just information that we need to know. Thanks for watching.